friends, welcome to ARC. Today we're going to be making our very own do-it-yourself basketball hoop. We hope you enjoy it. Always remember to be safe, be respectful, be responsible, try your best, and have fun. Now it's time to gather your materials. You will need cardboard, scissors, a red marker, a wire hanger, a sheet of paper, tape or glue, and yarn. Now let's start making our basketball hoop. Step 1. Measure and cut out the size of your backboard on your sheet of cardboard. Step 2. In the center of your backboard, draw and color in a rectangle. Step 3. With your wire hanger, form a circular shape. Leave the hook portion of the hanger intact so you can insert it into the backboard in a later step. If you find it too difficult to shape the wire, then ask an adult for help. Step 4. To form the net portion of the hoop, cut out multiple strings of yarn. They can be as long or as short as you would like. Step 5. Once you have enough to cover the hoop, simply tape or glue the string around the inner portion of the hoop. Step 6. Start creating a crisscross-like pattern with your string. Follow along as Miss Adriana demonstrates how to make the crisscross pattern with the string. Pause the video if needed. Step 7. Now that your rim is ready, insert the hook portion of the hanger through the center of your backboard, directly underneath your rectangle. If needed, you can even draw a dot to help guide you on where you are going to insert the hanger. Step 8. Secure your hook to the back of your backboard with tape or glue. Step 9. Once your hoop is connected to your backboard, hang the backboard in a safe space using tape or a pin. Step 10. To make a ball, take your sheet of paper and crumple it up into the shape of a circle. Now you're ready to shoot! Check out Miss Adriana as she scores on her do-it-yourself basketball hoop. Did you know that basketball was created inside of a gym in 1891 by a PE teacher who didn't want his students to get bored? His name was James Naismith. A dunk is performed when a player gathers the ball and puts it through the rim to score. Some of the most spectacular dunks can be seen today in both WNBA and NBA games. Scoring in basketball can be done by shooting, dunking, or performing layups with the ball. The goal to winning in basketball is to score more points than your opponent. Points are earned by ones, twos, or threes. Wilt Chamberlain holds the single game scoring record, having scored 100 points in a game in 1962. Kobe Bryant is second behind Chamberlain, with 81 points scored in a game on January 22, 2006. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed.